It's almost Valentine's Day, so quick, be romantic! But actually, it's tomorrow, so today I'm making something I call Romance Bot. Romance Bot will automatically detect when you need more wine and make it happen. Don't think a servo attached to box wine is romantic enough? Well, perhaps you need more Romance Bot. And with that, let's get started on making the most romantic thing you've seen in minutes. That was very romantic. So here's the plan. I'll be using an Arduino setup with a servo that'll be used to pour the wine. I'll use a water sensor which can be used with wine, and it'll be used to measure how much wine is in the glass and see if you need more. But you may notice, without a wine glass there, it would just be pouring wine all over the floor because it's always empty if there's not a wine glass there. So I'll also be using an ultrasonic sensor to see when the wine glass is actually there, and I will integrate a failsafe. And all of this combined equals romance. Let's build it. And for all you fellow nerds out there that care all about the code, here it is. Look, it's code. Wow. Anyway, let's keep moving. All right, I'm pretty sure this is working. Yay, videos of screens. Everyone loves that. All right, let's do a test. Test. Servo went. So this is gonna stay out, so it's the failsafe, so this should go back. Perfect. Okay, second test. This goes. And then we put this in the wine. And it should now... So it went back pretty instantly because I put it too far in there. Cool. That's actually working perfect. Time for romance. Candles. Check. Highly romantic drip catcher. Check. And romance bot. Check and check. Oh, I seem to be getting a bit low on wine. How unromantic. Romance bot, can you do anything about that for me? Oh, yes. Thank you, romance bot. Cheers. Wow, and I thought the most romantic thing I could do was the dishes. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.